Got places to go and things to do? Of course you do. The Journey So Lite scooter is designed to get you from point A to point B safely and easily. At Journey Health and Lifestyle, we wanted to develop a scooter that is lighter, but still super sturdy and maneuverable. Plus, safety is always a top priority. Mission accomplished. At just 44.5 pounds, the So Lite scooter folds up easily and can fit into the back seat or trunk in a flash. Ready to ride? The So Lite scooter unfolds with no tools required. With intuitive, easy-to-use controls, you'll get the hang of this in no time. And when you're riding, you've got safety on your side. Electronic stability control automatically slows you down on turns. Anti-tippers provide extra safety. When you release the throttle, the automatic electromagnetic brakes are incredibly responsive. The speed adjustment dial lets you set your top speed where you feel comfortable, up to 5 miles per hour. Speaking of comfortable, the padded seat back and armrests are best in class, and it can support anyone weighing up to 265 pounds. The Journey So Lite scooter will take you up to 8 miles on a single charge. So, load up the storage baskets, start your engines, and get ready to roll. Look out, world! Here you come! The Journey So Lite scooter. Light, safe, and fun to ride. After all, enjoying life never gets old.